everyone, this is what we're cooking today, and before you watch the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hey guys, it's me again, Rita, long time no see. And today we are going to be making some delicious chocolate
Candy mixed fruit biscotti.
Reward. And we are cooking with my sister.
Okay.
So let's start cooking! Okay, so what is the first step? Even though I know this first step.
The first step is to put 2 eggs and sugar together and mix them together. Alright, give me an egg.
The yolk is already broken. Cake is lost.
That was really fast.
I am perfect. I need to be perfect.
And now we add sugar.
Sugar.
Now we're gonna mix it. Oh,
there's some rocks. Faster. Okay, guys, now it's time to put in the butter.
now it's time to mix.
Okay, yeah, my hands are buttery. Okay, guys, now it's time to put in the vanilla. Okay, guys, so now we need to put in the flour. Now we need to put in the baking soda. Then the salt. Then the main event, the cocoa. Actually, it's not the main event, but like I love chocolate.
Now we're gonna sift it all.
Sip. Wanna try?
Now it's time to mix it all. I'll keep mixing like this until everything is mixed together so we can add the fruits.
Okay, guys, so now it's time to add the fruit candy and the nuts. And now we need to mix it. Everything start to look good. And also, I think I might put my chocolate milk into it. But you can also, guys, you can also, once this is done being baked, you can also dip this in your coffee. But I want to dip it in chocolate milk. Because like chocolate milk kind of looks like coffee, kinda. Okay, guys, so now it's time to put it in the pan and then put it in the microwave. But guys, so we're not making a cake. So we're not going to like fill up the whole thing, like make it like the cake way. We're actually just like putting it roundly on here. It's okay if there's a lump. Okay, guys, so now we need to put this into the oven. We will see you after it comes out and cools down. We will see you then. Okay, guys, so after that, we need to cut it, but our mom is going to cut it for us because, of course, she does not want us to cut ourselves.
Oh, it must be really nice. 3 slices. Now 7. Now 8 slices.
So now we've cut it into pieces and we're gonna put it in the oven to make it crunchy.
One more time. And we'll see you when it is done. Yeah, I want to nibble on them. Okay, guys, so after it's done cooking for the second time, it looks like this. Now we are going to try it. But first I want to know what it is. Let's break it in the middle.
Thank you.
Don't just want yeet. Delicious. Maybe next time we need to ditch the fruit and just put nut.
It's very crispy. I like it. It's like kind of like crunchy, but also crispy.
I'm just gonna eat every piece of this, but the fruit in it.
You can also taste the fruit, but it's like not too strong.
Okay guys, so before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.